Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another video on maintenance of an Azure SQL Server. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure auditing. It's really simple, just some few clicks and you're up and running. Well, let's get started. We click on here on auditing. We enable this one. We say storage account for now. You can also choose a log analytics, but if you want to do a log analytics account, then you need to create it yourself. Of course, we're gonna create a new storage account. Log storage. Okay, you know me now. I'm not really good at names, so excuse me for that. Well, V2. Click on OK. Do be aware you do need to have the proper permission to set it up because underwater, what does this mechanism do? It's creating the storage account, but when you click on save in a moment, so when we are finished here, we're gonna click on save. It will also set up the access control for the SQL server to the storage account. And if you are if you don't have the right permission, so maybe if you only have like the permission to create resources but not to assign role assignments, then this will maybe fail for you. Where is my account? I just created it. Maybe do another. This also did occur. Yeah, here it is. Now we're gonna set it on 1 year. I think that's enough for me. Save it. Hopefully it goes fast. And there it is. It's finished, and we are all up and ready. Yeah, he wants me to save it again, but I already saved it. So if I go back, you see it's still configured. And also if we go to the overview, you can see auditing is now on green. So we almost have everything. We only don't have Azure Defender for SQL, but that requires another video. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a nice day.